In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Hootsuite for social media management. If you want one place to manage posts, monitor activity, and keep your social accounts organized, connecting your accounts in Hootsuite is the essential first step. In this part, we will start from the main settings area and move through the social account connection process. First, click Settings. You will usually see this option in the main navigation or in your profile or workspace controls, depending on your Hootsuite layout. Take a moment to open it and make sure you are viewing the main settings panel. This is where Hootsuite collects the options that control how your accounts are connected. Next, click Social Accounts and Teams. This section helps you manage which networks are linked to your workspace, and it is also where you can organize access for different teams. After you click into this area, you should see options related to social connections. This is the part of the workflow that controls what you can post to and what you can monitor from within Hootsuite. Now, click Social Accounts. This tells Hootsuite that you want to work specifically on the list of connected networks. You may see a page that shows existing accounts, or it may be a blank list if you are setting everything up from scratch. Either way, you are in the correct location to add your first social profile. Then, click Add a Social Account. This is the action that starts the connection flow. You might notice a button or link labeled in a similar way. When you select it, Hootsuite prepares a guided setup process so you can connect safely and correctly without needing to manually configure complicated settings. After that, select the social network. Hootsuite may offer choices for the major platforms you use, such as networks where you can publish updates and engage with followers. Choose the network you want to connect first. This step matters because the connection process and the prompts that appear next can differ depending on the platform. Once you select the social network, follow the prompts to connect your account. This usually means you will be guided through an authorization step where Hootsuite requests permission to access your social profile so you can manage content. Follow what appears on screen carefully and review any prompts related to permissions or access. If there is a login step, use the account that you want linked to Hootsuite and make sure you complete the authorization within the same flow so the connection stays consistent. As you go through the prompts, pay attention to confirmation messages or successful connection indicators. Many times the interface will show that the account has been connected, and it may also display details like the connected profile name. If anything seems unclear, pause and make sure you are approving the correct account and the correct social profile before continuing. After the connection is complete, you can return to the social accounts area to confirm that your network appears in the list. At that point, Hootsuite will be ready for the next stage of setup, such as scheduling posts or configuring streams, depending on what you plan to do. For now, the main goal is simply to make sure the account is properly linked. Winizimichia pans the full connection process inside Hootsuite. You clicked Settings, opened Social Accounts and Teams, went into Social Accounts, chose Add a Social Account, selected your social network, and then followed the prompts to connect your account. That covers everything you need to know.